Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Memrise for Educators, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for Memrise for Educators, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in memrise.com and press enter. Once the Memrise homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. If you already have a personal account, enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up link. Choose to sign up using your email address. Fill in the required fields, your name, email address, and a secure password. After filling in your details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Memrise. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Memrise homepage. Now, look for the Educators tab in the menu bar. Click on the Educators tab to view the offerings. You should see information about Memrise for Educators. Look for the option to get started or register now. Click on that option to proceed. Fill in any additional information required for educator registration. Complete the registration form with details such as your institution and role. Once you have filled everything out, review your information to ensure accuracy. Click the Submit button once you are ready to proceed. After submission, you may receive a confirmation message. Check your email again for any further instructions from Memrise. Follow any additional steps provided in that email. Once everything is confirmed, you can log into your Memrise for Educators account. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Start creating courses and materials tailored for your students. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.